Okay, so we're going to be doing a short tutorial on how to format images inside of a research paper or a scientific paper that you made. So first things first, we learn how to resize pictures. Whenever resizing pictures, you don't want to use the nodes in the middle and you want to use the corners. The reason for this is to use this and resize it as such, you're going to distort the image. And this is not good, especially if you have a scale for your picture. And this example is a map, and we have a scale here of the distance relative to the map. And you want to resize it using the corners, like so. Then next thing is we want to control how the text around the image behaves. So we edit this using the wrap text option. So you click on the picture, and it should show the picture format, and you go to the wrap text. Normally, whenever you insert a picture, it's going to show whether it's in a square, tight, or through. But my personal preference is the top and bottom because this actually prevents any of the text going over the side, especially if you have a small image like this. It's just on the top and the bottom. And then making sure that the image stays put is uh, to make sure the image stays put whenever you insert another picture or add new text when editing is to fix it. You can fix it by again going to the wrap text option, fix and click on the fix position on page. This makes sure that whenever you add another picture, another page, or another text, another paragraph, this image stays put right here. Now for the caption. The caption, there's actually different ways of making a caption, but this method is the one that I prefer. So you can actually make a caption by creating a text box. So let's just remove this right here to show you. So to insert the text box, so just go to the insert tab right here and look for the text box option. Click on it and select the simple text box. We select the simple text box because it is much easier to edit and so on. Now, we drag the text box just under the image. And this is one of the rare cases where you can actually just use the nodes in the middle to stretch the text box or the shape because there's no distortion within the text. Then you're now ready to type in or just paste the caption that you want for the picture that you have inserted. Now we want the text box or the caption to have no outlines. So you want to click on the text box and select the shape outline and just select no outline and it should appear as such. Similar to the image, the text box you can actually edit the wrap text option in the text box just following the same procedures of shape format, wrap text, and top and bottom. And you can also go back and fix the position of the text box or the caption on the page. And no matter how many pictures you add, it's going to stay put right there. For example, I'm just gonna copy this sentence over here and paste, and it's just gonna stay put. Another way of making sure that your text bar or your image and the caption stays put and stays together is by grouping them. We group them by clicking on the text box. Make sure you're clicking on the box, not just on the text, and pressing the control button on your keyboard until the cursor shows a plus sign and a perforated rectangle or a dashed rectangle. Then you click on the other picture or the other image that you want to be selected. And now you have selected the caption and the image. And now you go to picture format, then you go to the group option and just click on group. Normally, there will be cases when you try to do this and the text, the text wrapping around the picture would change. In that case, you just want to go back to the wrap text option and just click top and bottom and just click on the fixed position on page. And that's it. No matter how many pictures you add or how much editing you have to do, this group of images stays put. The grouping function can also be used in multiple pictures and in multiple text boxes or in shapes that you have. And it's very useful if you're planning to make a diagram or a theoretical framework for your paper.